Today we're doing a foundation double crochet, which starts with a slip knot. First we have the setup, so we insert the hook into the slip knot, hold your yarn tail with the hook and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now a double crochet starts with a yarn over, so we begin with a yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain closest to the slip knot or the yarn tail, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, draw through 1. Now 3 loops on hook, we're going to complete a double crochet as normal. So yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. For landmarks, notice that the tail is at the bottom of the work and the active loop is at the top. To continue, we'll start with a yarn over and move the hook into the base of the stitch. So notice that my hook is going into the bottom by my tail. Now I yarn over, draw a loop through 1, yarn over, draw through 1, there's my foundation, and now we do the double crochet. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And we repeat that. So yarn over, find the bottom base, 2 loops, yarn over, draw through, yarn over through 1, double crochet, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. The first chain 3 counts as a stitch, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4.